Natural treatment for low blood pressure. Low blood pressure means hypotension, is a condition in which a person's blood pressure becomes so low that it causes symptoms like dizziness, fainting, fatigue, nausea, difficulty breathing, blurred vision, palpitations, and cold, clammy skin. When checking blood pressure consistently remain around 90/60ths of a millimeter Hg or lower, it is considered hypotension. In low blood pressure, when the blood pressure is extremely low, it may cause inadequate flow of blood to organs such as the brain, kidneys, and heart. The condition can be caused by issues like dehydration, prolonged bed rest, nutritional deficiencies, a decrease in blood volume, heart problems, pregnancy, endocrine disorders, and neurological conditions. When dealing with low blood pressure, it is usually suggested to increase your salt and fluid intake. Before increasing your salt consumption, do check with your doctor. Also, cut down on alcoholic beverages and high-carbohydrate foods such as bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes. The proper treatment for this condition depends on the exact cause, but we can try some simple home remedies to alleviate symptoms. Before starting any drug therapy, try lifestyle changes and some best home remedies for low blood pressure with the suggestion of your doctor. This video will help you to know that natural remedies can interfere with their functioning. Natural treatment. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is highly effective in treating high blood pressure, but it can also be used for low blood pressure, especially when it is caused by dehydration. In such cases, you can drink some lemon juice mixed with a little salt and sugar. It helps energize your body by stimulating the liver function and aiding in digestion. A glass of sugarcane juice mixed with a teaspoon of lemon juice and salt is also useful. Carrot juice. Starting your day with fresh carrot juice mixed with a little honey is an easy way to treat low blood pressure. Drink twice daily on an empty stomach in the morning and in the evening, which will boost your energy. Almonds and milk. The traditional natural treatment for low pressure. Soak 5 to 6 almonds in water overnight, morning peel off the skin and grind the almond in smooth paste. Add almond paste in hot milk with some sugar will give best result. Rosemary. Rosemary is believed to be useful in normalizing low blood pressure because it stimulates the central nervous system and improves circulation. Take up to 10 milliliters of rosemary tincture per day. Having freshly prepared infusion with this herb or adding it to your foods is also useful. You can simply add 3 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil in your diffuser for aromatherapy benefits. Salt water. Salt water helps treat low blood pressure because the sodium in salt increases blood pressure. Do not overdo this remedy though, as excess salt can prove to be unhealthy. Simply mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a glass of water and drink it. You can also drink sports beverages. Coffee. Having a cup of strong coffee, hot chocolate, cola, or any caffeinated beverage can also temporarily increase your blood pressure. If you frequently suffer from low blood pressure, drink a cup of coffee in the morning or have it along with meals, especially when dealing with orthostatic hypotension. But, do not make it a habit because the long-term effects of caffeine are not clear. Raisins. Raisins are a traditional Ayurvedic remedy that is considered excellent for treating hypotension naturally. You need to soak 30 to 40 raisins in water overnight and eat morning empty stomach, and even can drink the water in which the raisins were soaked. If you try this for some weeks or 1 month will give best result. Holy basil. Holy basil is beneficial for low blood pressure because it is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and pantothenic acid. Furthermore, it helps balance the mind and reduces stress. Juice of basil leaves with honey daily on an empty stomach will give best result. UCA also chew 4-5 basil leaves daily in the morning. Licorice root. Licorice root is another popular home remedy for normalizing low blood pressure caused by low levels of cortisol. It blocks the enzyme that breaks down cortisol and supports healthy adrenaline function. It is also effective in curing chronic fatigue syndrome. You can have in form of tea or you get capsules of licorice root in local market, can have for some day till your blood pressure is normal. Beetroot juice. Raw beetroot juice is helpful in dealing with high as well as low blood pressure. For hypotension, drink a cup of beetroot juice twice daily for about 1 week. Other natural fruit juices are also considered helpful in this regard. Drink more water, less alcohol. Alcohol is dehydrating and can lower blood pressure, even if you drink in moderation. Water, on the other hand, combats dehydration and increases blood volume. Follow a healthy diet. Get all the nutrients you need for good health by focusing on a variety of foods, including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean chicken and fish. If your doctor suggests using more salt but you don't like a lot of salt on your food, try using natural soy sauce or adding dry soup mixes to dips and dressings. Go slowly when changing body positions. You may be able to reduce the dizziness and lightheadedness that occur with low blood pressure on standing by taking it easy when you move from a prone to a standing position. Before getting out of bed in the morning, breathe deeply for a few minutes and then slowly sit up before standing. Sleeping with the head of your bed slightly elevated also can help fight the effects of gravity. If you begin to get symptoms while standing, cross your thighs in a scissors fashion and squeeze, or put one foot on a ledge or chair and lean as far forward as possible. These maneuvers encourage blood to flow from your legs to your heart. Eat small, low-carb meals. To help prevent blood pressure from dropping sharply after meals, eat small portions several times a day and limit high-carbohydrate foods such as potatoes, rice, pasta and bread. Herbs such as turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and pepper help to raise blood pressure. Moreover, they also help in the functioning of the kidneys. One can also control chronic hypotension by practicing yoga. Yoga helps calm the mind, improves blood circulation, and balances the autonomous nervous system. Consult a yoga practitioner and enroll yourself in a good yoga program. Get regular, mild exercise to promote blood flow. Avoid vigorous exercise and heavy lifting, though. Also, consult your doctor to check if any of your prescription medications are causing the problem. If your blood pressure falls too low, call a doctor immediately. While waiting for medical help, you need to sit down or lie down and lift your legs above heart level. This helps to bring the blood flow back to the heart and brain, and it could save you from losing consciousness. Many of people are suffering from several allergies, so it is essential to follow your doctor's dietary advice and keep a track of your blood pressure. If you successfully control your blood pressure with given healthy lifestyle and proper diet, share to your others friend who are suffering from BP problem.